Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Live Strong Tech bringing you another video, and in this one I'll just be doing a quick unboxing and first impressions of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. So with that being said, let's just get right into it. I don't think I need this unboxing knife. So 12 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of storage, Snapdragon 8 Elite, 1440p display, 120 hertz display, IP68 dust and water resistance. You got Samsung AI features, really good camera system and all that. So yeah, here's the device. I got the titanium pink gold. Feels really nice so far. Let's just rip that off really quick. Oh no, I ripped that, but it's okay. Got that off. So here's your device. Yeah, this is a really nice feeling device already. And then the rest of the box you get just this stuff right here, SIM ejection tool, and got the charging cable in there too, you guys can see, and then there's like usual books in there. So that's about it, honestly, in terms of the unboxing experience. So yeah, now just look at this. Boom. Yeah, this looks really, really nice and feels really nice already. Boom. Wow, look at that. So just for a quick little comparison, here's how it looks against the S24 Ultra. There it is right there. About the same size, obviously. It's got rounded corners compared to the S24 Ultra. So, but other than that, they, look pretty similar. Yeah, but this feels lighter than the S24 Ultra slightly. So yeah, this has definitely got some lightness to it compared to the S24 Ultra, which is nice. And then let's just compare it to the OnePlus 12, as you guys can see right here. About the same size as the OnePlus 12, but OnePlus 13. But the OnePlus 13 corners are a little bit more rounded. And here they're rounded, but they're still kind of sharp. So yeah, there's a comparison to that right here. Right here. Boom. And then here's a comparison to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Wow, these colors look actually pretty similar. This is the gold one I got, and then this is titanium pink gold. And looks pretty similar. Looks really nice, I think. They feel about similar weight, but I don't know which one is more heavy. I'd have to weigh them on the scale. But yeah, this is how they look. That's compared to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And then here's it compared to the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Looks nice. So there it is right there. So yeah, I'm going to be using this device, and then I'll let you guys know my first impressions. See you then. Hey guys, so I'm back, and I've been using this Galaxy S25 Ultra for a little while, and so far so good. This phone is really nice. I know it's not much of an upgrade from the S24 Ultra, or honestly even the S23 Ultra, but these days, smartphones, they don't even, take huge leaps year after year anyways. But this phone is pretty good. So for the design, you're getting a titanium frame with rounded edges and a frosted back glass, which altogether I think is lighter, and I think it is lighter than the S24 Ultra, and it feels better in the hand because the edges are, rounded, and I actually like that better than on the S24 Ultra. So yeah, so picking up the phone and getting into it, as you can see, it's got the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, which is pretty nice. And honestly, I think it's definitely a little bit faster. I don't know how Samsung improved it, because I thought it was already fast enough, but Samsung improved it from the S24 Ultra, and it honestly is a little bit faster. And I think I can show you guys right here. So here we have the S24 Ultra, and here's the S25 Ultra. So let's just try and get it in. 1, 2, 3, boom. The S25 is just a little bit faster. What I'm seeing on the camera. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Boom. See, look, S25 just a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3. See, S25 is just a little bit faster, which I think is really, really nice. But, you know, here's the software, One UI 7, which adds a new look to some icons and notification tray. So you can see the notification if you swipe down from this side, and then here's all the quick toggles and everything on this side. So I think that's pretty nice. Makes it kind of more like iOS-esque, because iOS has the same type of thing, but I don't mind it, honestly. But yeah, looking at this phone, I mean, the screen is just absolutely beautiful, as screens always are from Samsung. One issue that was reported in the S24 Ultra was the graininess on its display at nighttime and like dim scenarios. Personally, I never had that issue with the S24 Ultra, but I don't think that you should have the issue with this S25 Ultra. Me, I never had it with the S24 Ultra, and I'm pretty sure they fixed it with the S25 Ultra because I haven't seen anybody with that issue. So, yeah, I think the screen is just absolutely beautiful. You shouldn't have any problems with it. And for the battery, you're getting a 5,000 milliamp cell with 45 watt fast charging, which I think is fast enough, but could be faster. And the battery, 5,000 milliamps, is big enough, but obviously it could be bigger because you got like phones like the OnePlus 13 is 6,000 milliamps, and the OnePlus 12 was 5,500. You got other competition that was, you know, like 5,500 and, you know, more. So Samsung could be a little bit bigger than that. But I think this is fine because they pretty much, I think, want to keep it the same and really just optimize the 5,000 milliamps that they have there, because milliamps, you know, adding more milliamps doesn't always mean, you know, more battery life. I think optimization and everything like that also boils down to, you know, getting like better battery life. And with that battery, you know, you're getting the Snapdragon 8 Elite, and this phone will be fine for anything you throw at it. Gaming, photography, social media, really just anything, honestly. I played a few games on it. I mean, we could load up one right now. Let's see if I can load up one. And let's see. I kind of just set the phone up, so it's kind of loading up the game launcher. Let's accept, gaming hub, blah, blah. Let's load up Clash of Clans really quick. Oh, looks like you can change your gaming experience. Agree. Oh, I just had to load it up for the first time, but yeah, I mean, it's pretty smooth. Clash of Clans, not gonna have any issue gaming. I mean, this is an elite phone with an elite processor called the Snapdragon 8 Elite, so yeah, you're not gonna have an issue with gaming. This phone also still has the S Pen, obviously. I mean, they removed the Bluetooth functionality, which kind of sucks, but you know, the S Pen still works with its functions and everything, so shouldn't have an issue with that. S Pen still works fine. You can still do like the off-screen memos, I think they call it. We can say faint, echoes, hello, good, bye. And there you go. S Pen feels good. I never really use the S Pen that much, but you know, the S Pen is always a really nice feature to have, really cool. At least you can write, you know. Not many other phones can do that, so yeah, no issue there. This phone also has a lot of AI features, just like the S24 Ultra had, and they also added some new ones. One cool new one would be this cross app AI feature, which leverages Gemini and Bixby to let you take care of tasks across multiple apps. I'll do an example now. So if you just hold down on the power button, let's see, I'm gonna ask Gemini to do something. Show me the best restaurants in Indianapolis, Indiana, and then schedule a haircut for me at 10 a.m. in that same area.
Sure, I'm putting this on your calendar. Do you want to add a location to this event?
No.
Okay, I've made a note of that.
All right, so it added a calendar event for me. Now take that calendar event off, please.
Sorry, I couldn't find any recent calendar events.
So it really needs to work on that. Take off my most recent calendar event.
Canceling haircut.
See? Okay, there we go right there. See, okay. I'm glad it worked like that, but for some reason it didn't work when I told it to take off the event before. But you guys get the point. You can, leverage Gemini's functionality to do stuff across multiple apps. In this example, I used Google Maps and Calendar at the same time, and it did exactly what I wanted to do. The camera really didn't have much hardware improvements over last year besides the new 50 megapixel ultra wide, but there's also now the ability to shoot log video, which uses logarithms to capture more detail in bright and dark areas. I'm sure people who are big into photography will appreciate that. I mean, I'm not really big in photography, but yeah. And then you also have like some new features like the audio eraser, which is like a good video editing feature. Trims out excess background noise as best as it can using Galaxy AI. And then you can auto trim, which can extract scenes and auto generate videos from them. And then you got the Pro Scaler, which uses Galaxy AI to boost image quality. So yeah, a lot of AI features in this Galaxy S25 Ultra. And I know I talked a lot about, the AI features, but honestly, there's a lot more AI features in this phone than that, making this S25 Ultra, in my opinion, the ultimate AI phone. Like, I mean, if you really want to use a phone that has a lot of AI, I think this is the phone that you're going to be using. You got like a Pixel 9 Pro XL. It's a pretty good AI phone. Apple got theirs. But I think this one, has a lot. I think out of all those features, this phone, Samsung might have like the most maybe like useful AI features. That remains yet to be seen, but in my first impressions, that's kind of what I think. But let me know if you guys are thinking about getting the S25 Ultra, and leave me any questions you have about this phone in the comments, and I'll answer them as best as I can. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, peace, bye.